weather has been absolutely dog balls this spring, which is always a given living on the west coast. It's always really wet during spring, and we finally have a break in the weather, and I just wanted to get out and go take some photos because it's actually been quite a while since having a break of taking any sort of photos or being creative at all. And I got this jacket for free off of my friend, so it's quite a cool colour, and I want to go play with my camera and get some shots in it. So I decided to bring you guys along to one of my favourite spots here, not far from home, Dorothy Falls. So my absolute favourite thing about Dorothy Falls is on rainy days, this thing is just hammering heaps of water out, and I mean, you can hear it right now. I don't know if you can hear me, it's probably really, really loud. This shit grinds my gears. Why would you bring confetti out into nature like that? Honestly, people are just dumb. Don't disrespect a natural place by leaving your rubbish behind, because that's what that is rubbish. Not cool. I'm actually really loving the contrast of this yellow and this green area, so I'm gonna get us some shots, a couple of shots of me sort of standing in here. That yellow looks so cool. Coming out and just taking some photos and feeling creative, instantly my mood feels so much better. So now it's time to go home. I need to organise myself before I go to night shift tonight. I have a love-hate relationship with night shift. I actually really enjoy night shift, but I just struggle to stay awake. I'm very tired. By the time I hit 3 o'clock, I turn crazy. A massive shout out to my friend Amber for trusting me and doing my first tattoo using a pen. I used to do hand poke tattoo for a few years, and it was actually really fun getting back into it. I am actually really considering getting back into tattooing altogether. Feels so good to have some sun. It's been insane how wet it has been lately. So I've decided to come out into the glass house and have a bit of a clean up and sort it all out. It's a little bit overgrown and there's just stuff everywhere. So I want to get it into order now that things are starting to warm up. We are heading out to the HariHari hot pools. It's at a natural spring. You basically dig your own, and we're just going to hang out there for the afternoon. I brought the frying pan. We're going to have some sangers and just legs out for the afternoon. And me mate Winston's coming.